With a rupees 180 crore sales of 200 plots, a rupees 500 to 600 crore capex, and a 184% stock surge in the last 2 years, this real estate powerhouse is redefining growth. Backed by strong demand, stable costs, and a negative net debt of rupees 196 crore, what next for this rising player? Stay tuned to uncover the name behind this success. Hey everyone, and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker. Here we cut through the noise to highlight hidden gems in the stock market. I am Nishant Prasad, Equity Research Analyst at Desperado Advisory. In today's episode, we are diving into two companies making moves that would shape their future growth. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. Today's lineup includes Arvind Smart Places Limited and Welspun Enterprises Limited. First company, Arvind Smart Places Limited, the real estate arm of $2 billion Lalbhai Group, specializes in premium residential and commercial projects across India. The company sold 200 plots worth rupees 180 crore at the launch of Arvind Park in Bangalore, highlighting strong demand and operational efficiency. This momentum, coupled with stable operating costs and planned capex of rupees 500 to 600 crore in upcoming projects, ensures expansion without cost pressures amid declining inventory levels about 14 years low. Financially, Q3 FY25 EBITDA margin stood at 28.3%, up by 350 basis points from the previous quarter, and net profit margins improved to 23.3%, up by 750 basis points. Arvind Smart Places Limited is set for long-term growth in India's real estate sector. Second company, Welspun Enterprises Limited, is a key player in infrastructure and oil and gas and has strengthened its order book with a rupees 328 crore EPC plus O&M contract secured in Mumbai under a 75:25 JV with Aradhya and Company. This win will further strengthen the company's consolidated order book of rupees 14,500 crore and support the management guidance to close FY25 with an order book in the range of 15,000 to 20,000 crore, enhancing the company's visibility. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at rupees 919 crore, marking a 9.7 quarter-on-quarter increase with EBITDA margins at 19.6%, up by 170 basis points from the previous quarter. Welspun Enterprises Limited is set for sustained growth with a strong order pipeline and aggressive expansion plans. Now, let's review some of our previous picks. Ajmera Realty and Infra India Limited, covered at rupees 796, is now at 913.9, up by 17.8%. The next company, Centrix Performance Materials Limited, which we covered at 2,838.9, is now at 2,726.3, down by 3.9%. The next company, Transformers and Rectifiers India Limited, covered at 384.1, is now at 518.2, up by 34.9%. The next company, Strides Pharma Science Limited, covered at 587.5, is now at 629, up 7.1%. Garware Technical Fibers Limited, covered at 780, is now at 842, up 7.9%. Summary of today's recent filings. Arvind Smart Places Limited shows strong demand with 180 crore sales in Bangalore project and planned rupees 500 to 600 crore capex. The second company, Welspun Enterprises Limited, secured a rupees 328 crore contract in Mumbai under a joint venture. That's a wrap up for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out the full report in the description. Stay ahead, stay informed.